What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend is over with. It's time to get ready for the Monday grind. I hope you enjoyed the weekend, had fun, got out, did some things. In my area, it's been raining all day, people. All right, with that being said, I think I got a nice work week watch face for you all. At least I think so. If I'm right, if I'm wrong, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on that one. All right, so the name of the watch face is called GK14. I thought it was a nice casual look for a nice casual work week. Now, in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a super classic look. It's gonna be analog. It's not gonna have a bad look at all. But when the watch face is on, the first thing that stands out to me is the arms. I like the way they light up. I like that look. I like the mesh background. Kind of brings out the whole watch face. You get the 3, the 6, and the 9. So you're gonna get a classic look for a timepiece, that is. And up at the top, you're gonna get your step status, heart rate, your day of the week, your date. Also, you're gonna get miles walked or ran, and down at the bottom, I like the fact that they give it to you in percentage and they give you a little meter to let you know just about where you are with your battery life. Okay, and it is an active, so if I tap here, I can get my step status. Same thing for your heart rate. Now, considering that this is free, I thought this was really nice so far as the look, so far as the features is concerned. Not bad at all. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And remember, people, it is time to get ready for the Monday grind. See you all at the next video. Take care.